Today on Steam Culture, we're going to talk about chocolate. I don't have to say anything else. Well, it said we were going to talk about chocolate. I want to introduce you to the world's largest chocolate factory. It's in Veghel, Netherlands, and it's owned by the Mars Company. And there they make the Mars bar, they make the Twix bar, personal fave of mine, and the Bounty bar, which I don't eat a lot, probably should because it's coconut and chocolate, which are two of my favorite things together. And the reason we're telling you about this is we came across a story where they just installed a 10 megawatt electric boiler. Pretty neat. It can go from like cold to a full load in like 5 minutes, which is important because I've also learned that a lot of these electrode boilers are great for the environment, no emissions or dramatically reduced emissions, but they also serve as a backup to a lot of fossil fuel boilers. So they need to be ready on the quick. They also use them at night when the demand on the grid is low and the cost of energy is low. They'll fire these boilers up and run them at a lower cost. So the next time you're eating your Mars bar or your Twix bar, which I just realized, you know the Twix commercials with the two stacks going up and they're competing, those fossil fuel stacks, somewhere in there now, there's a 10 megawatt electrical boiler making your Twix bars. So enjoy those. See you next time. Thanks for joining us.